What's up everyone, welcome back to another Big Kyle video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a main menu in Unity. I'm probably going to stop making videos about Roblox, like studio coding. I'm going to make more gaming videos, but yeah, I switched over to this. So if you want more tutorials after this, just like all that. If we can get 5 likes on this, maybe I'll do like a how to make a character walk, like movement thing. Yeah. So yeah, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and let's get into it. Oh yeah, one more thing, I might sound a little different because I got a new headset because my dog ate my other one's wire, but that doesn't matter. Yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so first off, what you're gonna want to do, you should be in a thing like this. Yeah, by the way, I'm doing this for 3D. I don't know if the 2D one works the same. I haven't made any projects in 2D, but yeah. So what you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to come to your hierarchy, right click, go into UI, and add a canvas. So what I like doing, so up here next to game it says 2D, you can just click that, zoom in like that so it's all straight and flat. And then on canvas though, right click, click UI, and then add panel. And now you should see like a little white sheet. It's kind of transparent, but if you want to make it not transparent, just go into color, and then down here where it says A, just drag this all the way to the right and it'll be a solid color, or over here it can be transparent, but I'm gonna keep mine like this. Now I'm gonna change my color a little bit, so I think that's a good color, so I'm gonna keep it like that. Alright, so now that you do that, go to UI. You can get your text for like, you know, your game if you're making a game. Oh yeah, and I recommend using the Text Mesh Pro one, not just Text Mesh Pro. So by the way, once you do it, you're gonna have to import the stuff for it. So just click import and wait for it all. Alright, so now that you do this, so whatever you're gonna name your game, I'm gonna just do mine. I'm gonna call it test game. And there's a few settings you can change. I just recommend these ones. You can make it whatever you want. So just fit it to the best size, or auto size, because finds the best thing it can do. I think. Sort of, yeah, it's whatever. Yeah, but you can change everything, do whatever. So now that you do that, I'm gonna just put this over here and there. So I have my title, and now I go into canvas again, UI, and then button. Alright, now that you have your button, you scale it to what size you want. You just put it there. Just change whatever you want, the settings, like play or start, whatever you want. Alright, so I customized my button and everything, but I don't like this like the white outline, so I'm gonna just make it visible like that, and I'm gonna have to change the color, just make it white, and there. So now I have a play button. Alright, so just put it to wherever you want in there like that. So I'm gonna just do play for now. In another video I might show you how to do settings. It's really easy. But yeah, so now that we have our button, just name it up here to play button. And while you're at it, change the title, text title, just title, if you haven't already. And this is just to keep it organized, because if you just have everything named button, it's just gonna take longer to find what you need. Alright, so now we do this. This actually doesn't need any coding at all. So just go down here to on click, click the plus, add this, and drag in your canvas. So now that you do that, go to no function, or right there, that thing, game object, set active bool, and then just put that just checked. So now if we were to test the game out, it should work. Alright, so here's our little game menu. So if we click play, okay guys, I figured out one thing I made a mistake on. So in the play button actually down here, you're just gonna wanna uncheck that, because pretty much what this does when you click the play button, it turns this on and off. It's like, see how it's on right now, and the play button told it to be on, so nothing happened. But yeah, so if we click play now, it should work. Okay, we're in and everything, and we can click play and it goes away. And yeah, so we don't have a player yet, but you know, we will add one in the future. So if you want, like, maybe make it or something, yeah. Alright, well, I'll see you guys later. Subscribe, like, and yeah, alright, bye.